Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Xfinity Wi-Fi on Xbox. Alright, let's begin. Power on your Xbox Series console and navigate to the home screen. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Scroll to the right and select Profile and System, then go to Settings, General, and Network Settings. In the Network menu, select Set up Wireless Network and choose Xfinity Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. If prompted, enter the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot password. If it is your first time connecting, you may need to accept the terms of use. Once connected, test your network connection to ensure it is working properly. If you encounter any issues, make sure you are within range of the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot and that your Xbox Series console software is up to date. Restart your console and router if necessary. So that's basically how you can use Xfinity Wi-Fi on Xbox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.